Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter dal khichdi, updated. Pressure cook 1 cup rice and 1 cup split moong dal with 4 cups water, 1 teaspoon turmeric and salt until very soft. Heat 3 tablespoons ghee, temper with 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 chopped chili, and ginger, then stir into cooked khichdi. Finish with 2 tablespoons butter and garnish with coriander for a creamy, comforting finish. Start by rinsing rice and moong dal, then soak briefly while you prep spices and aromatics. Bring the rice and dal to boil, skim foam, then reduce to a gentle simmer or close the pressure cooker lid. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking and add water if it thickens too fast. Once soft, fold in the tempered ghee and spices, adjust salt, and mash slightly for a cohesive, buttery texture everyone will enjoy. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more cozy recipes. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I used for storing khichdi between meals. They save time and prevent spills. Check the description for the link and other deals and pick what fits your kitchen. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. For layered flavor, temper whole spices in hot ghee until they pop, then add chopped garlic and ginger for a fragrant base. Stir this tempering through the khichdi so each spoonful carries toasted spice and butter richness. Fresh cilantro and a lemon squeeze at the end lift the dish, while peas or diced carrots add subtle sweetness and color. Serve hot with pickles or yogurt for contrast and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.